In this video, I'll teach you how to format the calendar view in Microsoft Project. A few weeks ago, I was providing a help session for one of my corporate clients. The user in question was wanting to know how to format the calendar view in Microsoft Project to display information in a particular way. Well, let's just say it's not entirely obvious how to format the calendar view, but in this video, I'll teach you how to do that very thing. So let's get started. Let me show you what my client was wanting to do with formatting the calendar view. So first, I'll go ahead and switch to the calendar view. Here we see the default layout of this view. At the top of every week is the item known as the project summary task. In each task's Gantt bar, we can see the name of the task followed by its duration. So this task is secure project sponsorship with a duration of 3 days. What my client wanted to do with formatting this view is to remove the project summary task entirely, and then to change what is displayed inside of each Gantt bar. My client wanted to display the name of the team member, followed by the name of the task, but with no duration value specified at all. And then my client also wanted critical tasks to be formatted using the red cell background color. Here's how I was able to accomplish this formatting requirement. The first thing I had to do was to click the Calendar Format ribbon tab to display that ribbon. And I think you can see right away how easy it was to get rid of the project summary task. All I had to do was deselect that checkbox in the Show Hide section, and sure enough, it's gone. But to format each task's Gantt bar, I had to click the Bar Styles button to display the Bar Styles dialog. In this dialog, in the task type list, I can see every type of task, non-critical, critical, milestone, and so forth, and I can actually see their formatting. So, for example, for non-critical tasks, here in the bottom in the text section, I can see the fields that are displayed inside of the task's Gantt bar. It's the name field, with a comma, and then the scheduled duration field. Now, by the way, the field called name is actually the real name of the field or column that we call task name. Its real name is just name. So here's what my client was trying to do. He went ahead and clicked the field's Pick List button. And then he scrolled way down in this long list of available task fields, and he deselected scheduled duration. He didn't want to see that at all. And then he found resource names, and he selected that checkbox. And then he clicked outside the menus, and now we see name and resource names. But when he clicked the OK button, although it was changed, it's the wrong order. It's task name first, followed by resource name. He wanted it the other way around, resource name, comma, task name. Well, here was the trick my client never figured out. And quite frankly, I think it was kind of a miracle I figured it out myself. Here's what I did. I clicked on the non-critical item, and I wondered out loud, would it be possible to just type in the names of the fields in the order I want them? So here's what I tried. I put in resource names, comma, name. I just typed them in. And when I clicked the OK button, well, by golly, look at that. There's the name of the resource, comma, and the name of the task. Well, let's go back and let's do that again now for the critical task Gantt bars. So again, I'll just put in resource names, comma, name. While I'm here, notice the default cell background color for critical tasks is blue. Come on, man. That should have been red right out of the starting gates. So if I click the color pick list button, I get this interesting menu. I'll go ahead and choose the red in the standard color section. But oh man, when I look at this sample down here, that is much too dark of a red color. So let me show you a trick that I like to use to lighten up any color. If I click the color pick list again, this time I'll choose the item at the bottom menu called More Colors. And in the Colors dialog, I'll click the Custom tab. Now, I really love this trick. See this thing over here? This is the color slider. And if I grab this little triangle and slide it up a bit, here I'm getting a much lighter red color. So when I click OK, and then I click OK, all right, I've got the resource name followed by the task name. If I scroll down a bit, there we are, red Gantt bars for the critical tasks, blue for non-critical, everything formatted in the calendar view just the way my client wanted. And by the way, my client was absolutely delighted by the little trick I showed him. Hey, thanks for watching my YouTube video. Well, now you know the secrets for formatting the calendar view in Microsoft Project. If you found this video useful, consider giving it a like. And I would be honored if you'd leave a question or comment in the comment section below. If you do, I'll get back to you right away. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.